I wonder why she passed out. As long as we are in the same class, and I never saw her drinking so much.
All the hippies drink a lot. They are so terrible. They are always high, they are always drunken, they are sleeping around with everybody. Wait, that's it?
That's what?
It's so easy. Hippies are sleeping around. Anna is a hippie, and she passed out.
And?
She's pregnant.
What do you mean with pregnant?
That's when you get a baby.
I know what that is.
Who do you mean is the father? Danny? Christian? Or perhaps somebody else? I'm sure it's Christian. Haven't you seen how they were looking at each other and he called her baby?
Shut up! Anna doesn't sleep around with everybody. She's not like that.
Why are you so upset?
I'm not upset.
Don't shout.
I'm not shouting.
Oh! I understand. You like her, don't you?
That's not your problem.
But of course it is. I'm your friend and I won't let you date a pregnant hippie cow. Wait, could you be the father?
Now you really start to fantasize.
Pete, you should forget her. No, you will forget her. Because we will never go to that hippie place again.
You look as if it was you who fainted.
Hi.
Well, she's okay. Yes, she's feeling much better now.
Maria, are you kidding? You are talking as if Anna had died and you say she's fine. What's the problem?
Don't bother me. It's a secret.
But I can tell it's bothering you.
Well, share your problem with us, so you don't get wrinkles in your beautiful face.
Oh, Danny, you and your silly jokes. Come on, boys. Okay, but don't tell anybody. I promised Anna to keep her secret.
Maria, I'm your brother. You can trust me.
And you?
Perhaps.
Danny.
Oh, it was just a joke. Tell us.
Do you know why Anna's acting so strange? We all thought her mother died in a car crash, didn't we? But that isn't true. She died because of AIDS.
What?
And now she's insecure whether she has it too.
Oh my God. I don't think she's sick. She looks so nice.
But it's likely. We shouldn't contact her anymore.
What?
Can't do this, Christian. We are Anna's friends.
She's white.
Just imagine us spending time with her. We could also get AIDS. Anna is too dangerous for me. I have plans for my life.
How can you say a thing like that? Do you think it's easy for her?
But it's dangerous. We could also get AIDS. Wait, maybe we already have AIDS.
What?
It's possible. We spent much time with her, and anyway, we don't know how long she has already had AIDS. Maria, I kissed her at the last full moon party. Oh my God.
Chris, we don't even know if she has AIDS.
Who has AIDS?
Heidi?
What are you doing here?
I was just having a little walk through the park, looking for my friend Pete. What's going on?
Have you already heard? Anna has got AIDS.
What? Are you joking?
Stop it, Danny. That isn't right.
But you just told me.
Don't pay attention to him. He's so silly, always drinking beer.
Why don't you tell her the truth? Anna has got AIDS.
It isn't short of Anna.
Shut up! I can't hear this anymore!
Wait. Has Anna AIDS or not?
She believes it because her mother died of it.
Oh my God, I didn't know that. What shall we do now?
We?
You were never interested in the hippies, Heidi.
Hey everybody! What's wrong with Christian? And do you know where Pete is? He was supposed to be here by 3.
Good afternoon, Anna. I'm so sorry that I haven't seen Pete. Perhaps you can just wait for him.
Good old Danny, always joking. Pete will probably come soon.
Maria, I have to go home. Can you take me? Sometimes I can't find the way by myself. I'm so confused.